The ultimate gourmet grilled cheese sandwich, a mouth-watering recipe. Are you ready to elevate your grilled cheese game? Forget the ordinary, we're making a gourmet grilled cheese that's crispy, buttery, and oozing with melted perfection. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be craving every bite. Let's get started. Ingredients to make the ultimate gourmet grilled cheese. Here's what you'll need. Sourdough bread, crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. A blend of cheeses, sharp cheddar, creamy mozzarella, and nutty gruyère for the perfect melt. Butter and mayo mix, the secret to a crispy golden crust. Garlic powder and paprika, a dash of flavor magic. Honey or caramelized onions, optional for a hint of sweetness. Got everything? Let's build this masterpiece. Spread the butter mayo mix on one side of each slice of bread. This ensures the perfect golden crunch. Flip the slices over and layer on the cheese. Cheddar for sharpness, mozzarella for stretch, and gruyère for depth. Add a drizzle of honey or caramelized onions for an extra gourmet touch. Top it with the second slice of bread, buttered side facing out. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a pan over low to medium heat. Patience is key. Place the sandwich in the pan and listen to that soft sizzle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, pressing gently for even browning. When golden brown and crispy, flip and let the magic continue. Once perfectly toasted, remove from the pan and let it rest for a minute. This makes slicing even better. Now for the best part, the slice test. Cut through that crispy crust and look at that cheese pull. Gooey, melty, and absolutely irresistible. Take a bite and let the flavors melt in your mouth. This is next level grilled cheese, and there you have it, the ultimate gourmet grilled cheese. Super easy, unbelievably delicious, and perfect for any occasion. If you loved this recipe, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite cheese combination. Until next time, stay hungry and keep cooking. See you in the next video.